What's the word, YouTube? Today's predator alert goes to a male, 42 years old, 180 pounds, 5 feet 7 inches, brown eyes, supposedly brown hair, but he's bald, and he's a white person. He lives on Metacom Ave in Warren, Rhode Island. We can't tell you where because that's a dachshund, right? But his name is Raymond Correa. He goes by several names here. Convictions on 11/8/2017. First degree sexual assault. So he probably had some alcohol, and I'm just using that as an excuse for the piece of shit. And he took control of a young lady. Wasn't on a child, but it's still a sexual predator, right? And we don't like people that hurt our children or our women, or even young boys for that matter. They just take it.